Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the system and entering firmware right away. First, back up critical files and create a recovery USB so you can restore if needed. Once done, sign into an administrator account and plug the laptop into power. You don't want it to die mid-change. Next, restart and press the BIOS key, commonly F2 or delete on Rog Strix, so you can access UEFI options quickly. Make sure to note current boot mode settings before changing anything. You're now inside UEFI and can perform the actual disable step. Go to the Advanced or Boot tab and find Secure Boot. It may be nested under Authentication. Change the OS type to Other OS or toggle Secure Boot to Disabled. This removes the platform verification that blocks unsigned drivers. If the menu asks to clear or enroll keys, choose Clear Secure Boot keys when prompted. Once you've adjusted options, you save changes. You can stay in UEFI to verify boot priority if you plan to install alternate OSes. Finish by saving and exiting UEFI so the machine restarts with Secure Boot disabled. You should test your intended boot device or installer immediately, and, if needed, enable legacy or CSM support for older media. If the system won't boot, try switching OS type back to Windows UEFI or re-enable Secure Boot to confirm the change caused the issue. As a recovery tip, reset the CMOS via the battery or jumper to restore defaults if firmware becomes inaccessible. Power down and follow the manual quickly and carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.